Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set your work address in Waze. So saving your work address in Waze makes it easier to get directions to work without entering the full address every time. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze app on your smartphone and then just tap the search icon or the search bar that you can see at the bottom of the screen. So once you tap it, you will find home here, and directly you will find work, right? So just look for it and tap on work here, and then you will have an option. It says set work. So I already set up my work location. So for you will need just to follow my instructions and explanation. Of course, I'm going to be specific on it, right? So just set or tap on set work or the option to add a work address and enter your workspace address in the search bar and select the correct location from the search results. Then just check the location on the map to make sure it is correct and confirm the address to save it as your work location. So now you may ask how to navigate to work. So after saving your work address, just open Waze and tap work from your saved place. So here, saved places. So Waze then will calculate routes from your current location to the workplace. And you can, of course, update or change the saved work location later if you move to a different workplace. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.